Okay, so we're working through Con Algebra 1, the unit quadratic functions and equations for my students to help them. This is, yesterday I did 6 videos. Today we're going to try and do another 4 to 6. First one is quadratics by taking the square roots. Intro. So let's take a look at this. Again, I haven't looked at these in a couple of years. A lot of them have changed, and everybody gets the different questions every time. So, all right, enter the solutions from least to greatest. So, we have 5x squared plus 3 equals 83. So I'm going to not use factoring or anything. I'm just going to get the square root, because this is about taking square roots. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. You need to think about which method, which strategy, which way you're going to try and solve these. So we'll divide both sides by 5. We'll end up with just x squared is equal to 16, and then we know x is equal to positive or negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. Positive 4 squared is 16. But the lesser number, the lower number, is the negative number here. So negative 4, 4, 4. Okay, our next one is negative 3x squared plus 25. So this is a function, but it asks us to find the zeros. So we need to find out where that function is 0. So I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides. And I'm going to end up with negative 3x squared. Divide both sides by negative 3. 75. 75, not 25. That's important. Go back through and fix that. It's equal to negative, divide by negative 3. So then I have x squared is equal to 25. Skip it ahead, I guess. So, and 3x squared plus 75. And then we'll take the square root of both sides, and we'll get x is equal to positive or negative 5. Negative 5 squared is 25. Positive 5 squared is 25. Put the lesser x in here, and the greater x in here. Greater means bigger, lesser means smaller. X squared plus 7 is equal to 43. We're going to subtract 7 from both sides, and we'll end up with x squared is equal to 36. We'll take the square root of both sides, and we'll end up with x squared is equal to positive or negative 6. Negative 6 squared is 36. Positive 6 squared is 36. The lesser number is the negative number, and the greater number is the positive number. And we have one more here. This is a function. G of x is equal to negative 10x squared plus 490. And it says find the 0. So we want to find where this function is 0. So that means negative 10x squared plus 490 is equal to 0. We want to find where the function is 0. So subtract 490 from both sides, and I'll get negative 10x squared is equal to negative 490. 0 minus 490. Then I'll divide both sides by negative 10. And then that's x squared is equal to 49. So I'll take the square root of both sides, and x is equal to positive or negative 7. Negative 7 squared is 49. Positive 7 squared is 49. The lesser number is negative 7, and the greater number is positive 7. Okay, so that's the introduction. Quadratics by taking square roots intro.